how to earn money for free on Wiz. So in this video I will show you how to do this. It's really simple and easy. Just follow me in this video till the end. So Wiz, there is an option on Wiz who name it like send invite link to 3 friends and you will win like little prize. For example, I will just come here to manage, and as you see, earn 50 GBP from every 3 friends who transfer over, as you see. So you will click here copy link. After this you will come to friends, for example, to send them. For example, I will send them by SMS. I will for example choose someone from my contacts, for example this person, and I will give them the link, and that's it. Not this link, guys, because I have this with, because I already have, and click send, and that's it, guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.